Damn. Yeah. Damn.
Hi, I'm Johncrestaniscam. I'm going to show you how I've been able to create my internet business from scratch to the point where it's fully automated and making me at least $1,000 every single day. I'm going to show you step by step my system for creating a fully automated internet business that's making me thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. I'm going to show you how to make some money on Instagram in 2020. The 3 best ways. We're going to show you how to pick your niche, how to get followers, and how to get that money, and how they all work together to build you a business that allows you to live free and work for yourself. Let's get it. Cool, so let's make money on Instagram. I'm going to show you the best way to make money on Instagram for 2020. Okay, this is the new stuff, and I want to see some comments below. If you're excited about this video, if you're excited, if you use Instagram, you want to start making money from it, type in Insta Money right in the chat, Insta Money in the comments, because this is going to be good. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell if you want to be updated about future videos that we're doing about money. Okay, so Insta Money. First thing you got to know is you got to pick a niche, okay? The second thing is you got to build a following. The third thing is you have to monetize that niche. But we're going to start with, always start with the money. Is where are we going to make the money? Because you want to pick a niche where you can make money with. For our sake, we're going to focus on things that deal with products, because we want to sell these products via affiliate marketing. Now, before I get into this, just letting you know, I'm going to take you on my computer right here in just a second, and I'm going to show you examples of Instagrammers who are doing the thing, making money, who have good niche selection, who do good posting strategy, etc. Let's go into the niche. The first thing you want to understand about niche selection is you want to go 3 levels deep. 3 levels deep, write that down. It is very important to understand. Now, let's go deeper into this. Let's say your niche is fitness, okay? Fitness is a great niche because there's a lot of products that you can sell to people interested in fitness. There are supplements. People take a lot of workout supplements or vitamins and minerals. It costs $50. Also, you could sell high-priced products. You could sell workout gyms and equipment through Amazon's affiliate program and make up to $5,000. And people pay all the time. So many people have home gyms. You can do all sorts of things within this niche. People buy a lot of products around fitness. Or you could sell people gym memberships and make a percentage commission for referring people to a particular gym membership affiliate program. There are lots of ways to monetize the fitness space. So we know there's products, we know there's affiliate networks and programs we can join. I named a few, just Amazon. Duh, people, join it. Let's go a level deeper though, because this is too broad and this won't get you big. Now, going a level deeper, we're going to say, let's do women's, okay? Let's say you're a woman and you do women's fitness. Focusing your posts on women's fitness is going to make you more specific in your niche, and it's going to make your content more interesting, and it's going to engage followers more, because again, we're looking to build passionate fans. And if you just focus on fitness as an overall, it's going to be too broad, whereas women's fitness is going to speak more to a more specific audience. But women's fitness is still too broad. It's half of all fitness people. So we want to go a level deeper to really create that engaging content that's going to attract followers. And the level deeper from this is, let's use the example, workout food, okay? Now, focusing on women's fitness workout food is actually a much more targeted niche, and you can build a big audience off of this because it's targeted and it will speak very highly to people who are working out but looking for better recipes or food choices. This would be an example of 3 levels deep. You're niching down and down and down to get those people talk about on a subject that you hopefully can talk about. Let's go on my computer though and see this in action. Okay, so the second thing we need to do is attract followers. So in here, I'm gonna show you on Instagram, let's just look at, workout food, right? And what we wanna do to attract followers, as we see before, there's a lot of posts on workout food. And what we might wanna do is we want to repost valuable content that people engage a lot with, and we want to use the correct tags. So for instance, if we're going after workout food, we're going to use tags like women's fitness, hashtag workout food, and other hashtags related to that. And we can find those ideas of hashtags and the ideas of content we can repost. I'm going to show you an example in a second over here. So as we see, we say cheat day design, and we're going to look at their hashtags, and we see gym help, fit tips, so workout food, fitness beginner, fit diet, eat to grow. So these are all tags that we might want to use for ourselves. See workout food, eat to grow. So those are good hashtags to help us start showing up in people's Instagram feeds for the types of content we're going after. Now, the next thing we want to do is actually provide content, that we're going to put out for the people who are looking for fitness stuff. So in my case, the best thing is to repost content. Of course, you could create your own content, but you probably don't want to do that, right? That takes work and video editing and image editing, and it's annoying. I don't either. So what we do is we repost content. And here's my Instagram channel. As you see, we have 18,500 followers, and this is all grown organically, no marketing spend, just actually posting. And as you'll see, I put up a video of Steve Jobs here, and I reposted it, and I tagged the person that I reposted it from. See, Carl Nino. And I just said repost Carl Nino. And I put up a bunch of quotes for what I'm going after. As you'll see on my Instagram channel, I go after a lot of motivational and kind of entrepreneurship related material. I also address affiliate marketing related material because that's one of my levels of my niche. Now, as you see, almost all of my content is reposted from somewhere. You see, I put repost mindset therapy, and a lot of Instagrammers are doing this. This is a very common way to, you can also grow your channel if you produce these sorts of videos, and then people credit you with creating the video and you get followers there. So this is kind of how it works to attract followers. You want to put viral content that people are going to share, and you want to use the tags that are going to make your content show up in the right spots. And as you see, I have lots of people watching my videos and reposting my content all over the place. So you'll see it works out very well for me, and it's allowed me to have my channel grow quite a bit over the last few months. Now, the third thing we want to do is make money. So the way we're going to make money is just the easiest way possible, which is affiliate offers. Now, if you own an e-commerce business, if you already have your own products, you probably aren't on this channel, okay? You want to make money with affiliate offers. It's the easiest way to make money online, and I'm going to address 2 different affiliate networks you can start with. So you can start with Clickbank. So you see I'm on clickbank.com, and you can sign up just by going to clickbank.com, or if you are out, they only work with certain countries. So I'm going to put a link to another similar company called Digistore. And Digistore will accept people from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nigeria, or other African countries. If you're not from Bangladesh, Pakistan, or Nigeria, you can sign up for Clickbank. But if you're from those countries, can't sign up for Clickbank, so sign up for Digistore. Now, the great thing about Clickbank is they have a lot of products that sell a lot of money, and they pay you up to 50% up to 90% commissions, but average commission you'll receive on a product is about 50%, which is fair because the person who created the product gets 50% and the person who sells it gets 50%. Makes sense. And here is the top performing product called the Cinderella Solution, and it's a weight loss program, and you can make $33 from it, every single sale. So that's a great option to sell. Another affiliate program you could join is Amazon. Now, if you go to Amazon.com and you scroll down to the very bottom, there's a section that says Make Money with Us, okay? So see Amazon.com, and then it says Make Money with Us at the bottom. And then you'll want to say Become an Affiliate right there, okay? So you want to click that link to become an affiliate marketer with Amazon. So you can sell any product on their site and you make commissions, but the difference is you won't make as much commission, you'll make about 5%. But again, that's fair because Amazon is such a big brand name and people are so used to shopping on it. Most of the stuff people buy on Amazon, they're going to buy anyways. Okay, so the next step is after we have our product, let's say I'm going to promote this product on Clickbank, okay? So I'm going to click promote right there. I'm going to click promote. I'm going to enter in my account nickname, and then I'm going to say generate hop links, okay, right there. Generate hop link, and here I just copy my link, okay, or you can highlight it and copy it. And just to make my link look pretty, I'm going to actually go to bit.ly.com and I am going to shorten my link in here and just click shorten right there. And now I have a link which I can use. Now, what I do next is after I post a video, let's say my video gets, let's say you post a video and you get 100 views of your video. What you want to do is you want to go on your video and you want to message everybody who viewed your video. So I put this video that says team does the dream work, and I'm reposting somebody's thing, and we have a lot of people who commented and a lot of people who viewed the video. Now let's say 100 people view your video. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to message somebody, and in this case, since I'm on desktop, I'm just going to reply to their comment, and I'm just going to say, hey, I see you liked the video. If you're interested in learning more ways that you can lose weight, this is the program that's changed many people's lives and I recommend. And then you put your link right there. See, boom, boom, okay? So we have it right there, and then you just post it, you send a message, you put in your link, now boom, okay, you got 100 people who viewed your video, who were interested in the content, you messaged them, and you gave them links to go a step further in learning about whatever your channel is interested in, which either it's fitness or workouts or workout food or weight loss or whatever that is. Now you got targeted people, you're messaging those people, and you're putting your affiliate link in there so that you can make money if they buy. Now, if we just say, 100 was a conservative number, but we said 100 views of your video, okay? If you had 3,000 followers, okay, I'd say 3,000 followers is the point where you can start monetizing your audience seriously, okay? And if you're posting daily and doing all the things, you should get up there fairly quickly within a few months. And then you can start direct messaging people, or you could do that beforehand. But let's say 3,000 followers, you get 100 views of each video. 10% buy from your link, the commission you make, $33, okay? Are you following me? So that would be 10 buyers times 33 equals $330. So that means you could make about $330 from a post if you're doing to monetize your audience. Boom! That is $330 you just made from a single Instagram post. And all these numbers are conservative. You can do, you can get better conversion rates, you can get more views per video, or you could even get more followers and you could make more money. But the point I'm trying to make is you need to follow the system and you need to be committed. You need to post. You need to have a niche that you focus around, not just random stuff, not just I ate this day and I'm going to this movie and I'm wearing this t-shirt, because now you're not focused. You're talking about movies, food, and t-shirts. Nobody cares except you're like the people who already know you. Whereas if you're talking about a specific niche like workout food, that's going to be something you can build your niche image and your brand and your money around. The second step, you grow your followers, okay? You're getting out there, you're building followers every single day by posting and using tags and everything you can. You can also do follow, unfollow. There's other advanced methods which you can use to grow your audience. And last but not least, the third thing is you need to make money doing it. Otherwise, it's not a worthwhile activity. But the most important overall understanding is that you need to stop using Instagram as a socialization tool and letting it suck your time away from quality time with the people around you in your area. And you need to take back control. And instead of having Instagram use you, you need to use Instagram, and you can make money doing it. Think about it. How many times have you picked up your phone, you've been working on it, you put it down for a minute, and then you picked it up again for no reason whatsoever? Have you ever done that? And just give me an amen in the comments if you've done that before, where you've just picked up your phone for no reason, you've turned it on, you're like, why am I on my phone? Or then you're like, let me go on Facebook or Instagram and check out some random stuff. That, my friends, is Instagram. That's the internet using you. You are the product and your attention is the product. But if you transcend that, if you take back control, hashtag in the comments, take back control. If you take back control of your time, of your life, and you don't let these tech overlords manipulate you into putting your attention on this phone, and you instead use it as a tool to make money, you will have a better quality relationships and you will have more money. But you need to take back control. Use this as a tool. This can make you money, but you need to use it. Don't let it use you. So subscribe, like this video if you got some value from this. If you're committed to taking back control, type in take back control, because I want to see you guys do this. Let's use the internet. Let's not have the internet use us, and let's make some money. Make sure, if you're interested, join the Money Club. If you want me as your teacher, you want to learn more from me, you want to go through some of my beginner courses and start learning affiliate marketing and do what I do, which I make almost $1 million a month. Yeah, it's crazy. Doing affiliate marketing, you can learn from me. Click the join button. It's about $50. You'll get 2 live streams a month from me, and you'll also get a lot more content, over 40 hours of content you can go through and start beginning to make commissions doing this. So let's make money. See you guys there. Let's do this.